Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you have the priority only allows, so you can basically just add exceptions for this mode. It could be reminders, events, alarms are always in the exceptions, so you can switch them because they are exceptional. This could be messages from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for calls, and there is also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. And you can also add a schedule for this mode, so let's just edit an existing one. You can change its name, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select the start time, the end time, you can change the preferences of this scheduled Do Not Disturb, and there's an option alarm can override end time, stop at the end time, or next alarm, whichever comes first. And that's it! Thanks for watching! If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.